Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken sausage. First, ensure you have about 2 pounds of quality ground chicken. Next, gather your preferred spices such as sage, thyme, and a good amount of black pepper. Don't forget your casings, whether natural or collagen, as these are essential for forming your delicious sausages. We'll cover mixing and stuffing next. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, combine your 2 pounds of ground chicken with all your selected spices. To ensure a moist and flavorful sausage, add about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth. Mix everything gently but thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined. Overmixing can make the sausage tough, so stop once it's just blended. With your mixture ready, it's time to stuff the casings. Carefully attach your chosen casing to the nozzle of your sausage stuffer. Begin feeding the seasoned chicken mixture into the stuffer, maintaining a slow and steady pace to avoid air pockets. Once filled, twist the casing at intervals of about 6 inches to create individual sausage links. This takes a little practice, but you'll get the hang of it. Finally, let's talk about cooking and storage. Cook your fresh chicken sausage to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can pan fry, grill, or bake them until they are beautifully golden brown and fully cooked. For storage, uncooked sausages can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or frozen for several months, ensuring you have delicious homemade sausage whenever you want.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.